Mnemonic devices are useful because it helps our brain encode new information to what students already know, and it's easier for them to retrieve information too. There are many different kinds of mnemonic devices. The two most common are acronyms, and the other one is using your imagination. Acronyms are good, especially for kids with ADHD or ADD, because it helps to keep their attention. They only have to pay attention for a little bit of time just to catch the acronym that you're using, and it'll be much easier for them to connect all the other parts of it. It's also easy just for all students in general because it's an easy way to remember one word that's then going to help you remember tons more information. The other kind is imaginative, and that would be really good for when you're learning new vocab. I know I've used it in different foreign language classes to remember different vocab words and what they mean in English. That's also good for any kind of student, but especially students that maybe do have trouble with vocabulary and need to learn different words. That's a really good way. All they have to do is think of a story or another word or just any kind of picture in their mind, and it'll help them remember what the word means or how to spell it or really anything. Two examples of acronyms are PEMDAS and ROY-G-BIV. PEMDAS is an acronym that explains the order of operations. I learned it as Please Excuse My Dear Aunt Sally. Another example is ROY-G-BIV, and that's the example that explains the visual spectrum, which is all the colors that we see. Overall, students with disabilities and without disabilities benefit by using mnemonic devices. They make it really easy for students to encode and retrieve, and for students to